Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlazer. Today, we're going inside the hidden high-tech world behind Amazon's delivery operations. I'm going to show you how armies of intelligent robots work tirelessly to get your orders to you faster than ever. How does that package you ordered online go from a warehouse shelf to your doorstep in just 2 days? Have you ever wondered how Amazon gets millions of packages out so crazy fast? All right, let's get started. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell to see new videos. Our story begins back in 1994, when Amazon started selling books online out of Jeff Bezos' Seattle garage. As the company expanded into more product categories, their operation outgrew the garage. They needed much larger warehouses to stock the growing variety of items. Amazon's first major warehouse opened in 2005 in Campbellsville, Kentucky. Spanning over 85,000 square feet, it was their first experience operating an enormous facility. Today, Amazon's fulfillment centers cover over 150 million square feet in combined area. That's over 3,000 football fields. Inside Amazon's huge warehouses, there are rows and rows of shelves piled high with products. The warehouses hold every kind of item that people order online: electronics, food, clothes, toys, and more. There are so many shelves and products that it makes your head spin. The amount of stuff in one warehouse is really hard to imagine. The warehouses have to be enormous to store all the millions of products that Amazon sells online. Early on, Amazon realized that managing such massive warehouses efficiently would require innovation. That led their engineers to pioneer smart warehousing technologies to handle all the locating, tracking, and moving of items. A major breakthrough was the development of Amazon Robotics. These are automated robotic systems that are used in over 25 fulfillment centers worldwide. The robotics allows Amazon to store and process inventory faster than ever possible before. Here's a behind-the-scenes look at how Amazon Robotics works. Products arrive at the warehouse in a constant stream of trucks. Conveyor belts take the incoming packages and distribute them onto enormous storage shelves up to 40 feet tall. As soon as a customer buys something on Amazon, the warehouse robots get to work. The ground robots move around quickly on a grid under the tall shelves. The robots use barcodes to find the shelf that has the item the customer ordered. Then they lift up and carry that whole shelf to the packing area so the items can be shipped out. The robots bring the shelves to the workers to be packed up instead of having the workers walk around the huge warehouse searching for items. The Amazon robots have a unique hexagon or six-sided shape. This shape helps them move around tightly packed warehouse shelves. These strong robots can lift and carry shelves that weigh up to 700 pounds. They bring the full shelf of products directly over to the packing stations where human workers are. Then the workers pick just the specific items the customer ordered from that shelf to pack and ship out. By having the robots bring shelves right to the human workers, the workers don't have to walk all over the huge warehouse to find items. This cuts down the time it takes workers to pick items from minutes to just seconds. The robots make the warehouse much more efficient. Amazon can store 40% more stuff in the same amount of space by using the robots. The inventory management doesn't stop there. The robots continuously photograph the shelf contents to digitally track merchandise in real time. Combined with scannable QR codes on each shelf, the system identifies the exact location of all items 24/7. Managing the orchestrated movements of thousands of robots is hugely complex. Sophisticated software tracks traffic in real time and optimizes routes to avoid collisions. This coordinated automated storage improves productivity by over 20% compared to human pickers alone. But storing items efficiently is only part of the challenge. Amazon also needs to expertly pick, pack, and ship the right products to the right customers, and they need to do it at lightning speed. This is where Amazon's intelligent robotic conveyor belts come in. These automated conveyors are how orders travel through warehouses on the route to your doorstep. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to TechBlazer. Now, let's go back to the video. Here's how they work. Packages move along the conveyor highway at blazing speeds. Scanners along the belt read the address label on each box. Based on the destination, automatic diverters seamlessly slide packages to the correct shipping chute, ramp, or slide. Built-in sensors all along the conveyor network track the progress of orders and detect potential congestion. If a jam arises, smart algorithms instantly decide how to reroute packages to avoid delay. By optimizing the path of every order, robotic conveyors vastly improve Amazon's processing capabilities. Their conveyor setups reliably transport over 1 million packages per day. Some of Amazon's newest fulfillment centers utilize advanced robotic arms with computer vision to autonomously identify and pick items from shelves. These smart robots can find and pick out items from messy, cluttered shelves. Their robot arm can gently grab all kinds of products without dropping them, from small wine glasses to heavy power tools. The robots don't get frustrated or tired working on the crowded shelves like a human would. By having robots pick the items instead of people, it saves the human warehouse workers from doing boring, repetitive grabbing and lifting. The picking robots work together with the shelf-moving robots to quickly and accurately gather all the right items for each order. The robots can assemble orders perfectly without ever making mistakes or getting exhausted. Amazon Robotics has transformed warehouse productivity, but human employees still play indispensable roles in Amazon's fulfillment operation. Humans possess dexterity, judgment, and problem-solving abilities beyond even the most advanced robots. So people are stationed along the automated conveyor lanes to pack shipments, scan labels, and handle any irregularities the robots can't comprehend. Only humans can assess and pack fragile items with care, and they flexibly resolve mechanical failures and glitches. By ingeniously combining intelligent machines and human oversight, Amazon has built the most efficient warehouses on the planet. Their robotic automation optimizes every step while people handle what robots can't. For customers, the benefits are game-changing. Advanced fulfillment centers allow Amazon to offer ever faster shipping, sometimes reaching our homes in just hours, and warehouse robotics significantly reduce operating costs, keeping consumer prices low. Amazon started out as a small online bookstore, but by constantly innovating, they grew into a giant that sells everything. Their state-of-the-art warehouses now ship over 5 billion packages per year all around the world. Amazon completely changed the world of retail through new technologies and smart warehouses, and they are nowhere near finished innovating. Amazon continues to pioneer new robotics that could radically automate fulfillment work. Their vision is for armies of robots to work collaboratively with minimal human guidance. While robots will handle more monotonous tasks, people will remain essential for trickier manipulations, critical thinking, and customer service. The jobs will transform, but smart warehouses will still need human insight. When an Amazon package arrives at your doorstep, take a moment to appreciate the hidden technology that enabled 2-day or even 1-day delivery. An interconnected ballet of robotic systems and focused employees made that order possible. Your Amazon package follows a super-fast, high-tech delivery system that the online shopping leader created. The perfect blend of human workers and robots makes the whole system incredibly fast and smooth. This speed and ease is what we now expect from Amazon, the company that changed shopping forever. Amazon's robotic warehouses show what future jobs could be like. By cleverly combining fast robots and creative people, they achieve amazing results. Amazon's data-driven tech delivers lightning-fast shopping and is just starting to transform commerce. Intelligent automation will change many industries in ways we can't imagine yet. Next time you shop online, think of the unseen warehouse ballet. Innovators have transformed warehousing. Like and subscribe for more insights.